How to activate an Anaconda environment. I'm on Windows 8, using Anaconda 1.7.5 64-bit. I created a new Anaconda environment with conda create p.test python equals 2.7 pip. From C column /pr /temp /vent /. This worked well. There is a folder with a new Python distribution. Conda tells me to type activate C column /pr /temp /vent /test. To activate the environment, however, this returns no environment named C column /pr /temp /vent /test exists in C column /pr /anaconda /envs. How can I activate the environment? What am I doing wrong?
As you can see from the error message, the paths that you specified are wrong. Try it like this. However, when I needed to install Anaconda, I downloaded it from here and installed it to the default path C column / Anaconda. Then I put this path to the environment variable, so now Anaconda's interpreter is used as default. If you are using PyCharm, for example, you can specify the interpreter there directly.
If this happens, you would need to set the path for your environment, so that it gets the right Python from the environment and scripts / on Windows. Imagine you have created an environment called py33 by using. Here the folders are created by default in Anaconda /envs, so you need to set the path as. Now it should work in the command window. The line above is the Windows equivalent to the code that normally appears in the tutorials for Mac and Linux. More info. This URL. Does Anaconda create a separate Python path variable for each new environment?
Note that the command for activating an environment has changed in Conda version 4.4. The recommended way of activating an environment is now conda activate myenv instead of source activate myenv. To enable the new syntax, you should modify your .basic file. The line that currently reads something like should be changed to. This only adds the conda command to the path, but does not yet activate the base environment, which was previously called root. To do also that, add another line. After the first command, see all the details in Anaconda's blog post from December 2017. I think that this page is currently missing a new line between the two lines. It says .conda activate base. This answer is valid for Linux, but it might be relevant for Windows and Mac as well. Use CMD instead of PowerShell. I spent 2 hours before I switched to CMD and then it worked. Create environment. See list of conda environments. Activate your environment. That's all, folks.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.